The FF&E Workbook, Finishes, Furniture, and Equipment, is the brain of your project. It's where you centralize every selection, materials, suppliers, and order statuses. Open it as soon as you enter the material selection phase. It's a living document that evolves with you until the final project delivery. The table is organized by category and by room. For every item, document the exact product reference. Leave no room for inaccuracy. Indicate the supplier, the unit price, and most importantly, the status. Pending, ordered, or installed. Share this information in real time with your contractors. Never put it off. Every selection not documented is information lost. Be absolutely precise with your technical references. Once the workbook is approved, move on to Doco 8, the implementation. The FF&E becomes your ultimate reference throughout the construction phase.